Things are moving quickly, and the momentum is incredibly promising. The silence has been broken, and now the path forward is being revealed step by step. A major new announcement has just landed in the OES back office. This is ONEWS 15, and it is the invitation we've all been waiting for. Here is the update, word for word, released September 24, 2025, at 7:51 p.m., revealing the next steps. Here is the event you've been asking for. The results of Survey 2 are in, and they are nothing short of inspiring. Your voices have spoken with clarity and passion, and the response has been both impressive and enlightening. Now it's time to come together for the next big step in our shared journey. Join us for the next live global update. Date: Saturday, September 27th. Time: 1 p.m. Eastern Time, U.S. Find your local time and the link for the event in the ONEWS section in the back office. This will be a landmark event you won't want to miss. We will unveil the detailed results of Survey 2 so you can see for yourself the powerful commitment expressed by your fellow community members. And, at long last, we will reveal the first steps of our transition into achieving our big, bold, beautiful shared dream. This is more than an update, it's a turning point. Please mark your calendars, spread the word, and invite others to witness this next chapter as it unfolds. This live global update is open to all. Everyone is welcome, no caps, no limits, just us, together, with boundless access for a boundless future. Together we are stepping into a future filled with promise. The best is not behind us, I see. It's about to be revealed. Let's just absorb that for a moment. This isn't just another meeting. They are calling this a landmark event and a turning point. For the first time, we will all see the powerful results of Survey 2, the proof of our community's unity and commitment. And most importantly, we will finally hear the first concrete steps towards achieving our big, bold, beautiful shared dream. The doors are wide open. No caps, no limits. This is an invitation for everyone to see the beginning of this new chapter. It's a clear signal that what's coming is designed for massive, inclusive growth. So here's what you need to do right now. 1. Mark your calendar for Saturday, September 27th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. 2. Log into your OES back office to find the direct link and your local time. 3. Spread the word. Share this news with everyone who has been waiting for this moment. This is it. The future is no longer a distant promise. It's a plan about to be unveiled. We'll see you there.